Hello, beautiful friends. It's Lynette, and today we are going to pot up my window boxes here behind me. And I think when I went to the garden center, I'm missing petunias in my life. I usually go petunia crazy, and I don't know, I planted a few, but nothing major. And so I chose Saffron, Finch, proven winners. And then I just got some pink, some purples. I got some Marigolds, and I got some Lobelia. Got a little bit of Dusty Miller, but I do want to keep these window boxes fairly simple. And I definitely want to add some vines. So I'm going to go pull some vine, but come with me as we decorate our window boxes. We plant them up for summer. Okay, so I have been using Pro Mix potting soil, and I've been really loving it. So I'm gonna take, well, I already took some of the dirt out, but I think I want to take a little bit more dirt out of these boxes here, and then fill it with some fresh dirt. Okay, so I think I want the Saffron Finch to go in the middle, and then I did cut some of my English ivy, just pulled it right out of the ground, you guys, and see the roots right there. I think I'm gonna fold this English ivy in two, and then just go ahead and bury these roots down in there. Okay, on this side here, I think I'm gonna do a pink petunia, and these are just, you know, a little 6-pack from the garden center. I do 2 of them. And these look like they need watered really badly. There's some biotone in there. And then what I think I might do is I might raise my dirt in the back, and to bring some more yellow over in this corner, and do a marigold. Okay, so I'm putting a couple marigold, or at least one marigold in the back there. And I worry about the marigolds in this side because this side doesn't get as much sun as the other sides will. I'm gonna do 3 window boxes today. But I wanna raise the dirt here. This one, the petunias went a little lower, and I want this marigold to go quite a bit higher because, you know, these petunias are gonna get crazy. But hopefully by raising this in the back, you'll still be able to see it popping through the petunias. Okay, you guys, I want to explain to you the English ivy part. I love English ivy. I love all kinds of ivies, to be honest with you. But English ivy in my yard is everywhere, so I don't pay for it. You know, you pay $2.99 at a at a nursery for, you know, one little plant. Now, I will say this, it doesn't always work, you know, so sometimes I have to keep replacing it. But what I do is, see the roots here on this English ivy. So this is the part that's gonna like trail out, and then this is the part that I'm gonna bury. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pull all the leaves where these roots are at off. And then I'm gonna plant from here up into the ground. I might pull that one off too. And I like to go kind of deep with my English ivy. Get it down there real good. And then as I'm putting it in, I turn it, you know, so you can see sort of the front. Now, when you first start doing it, it's gonna look a little wild, but it does grow in, you guys. All right, so I got my English ivy in, and now I want to do purple over on this side. Bring the purple, because my color theme this year is yellow, a bright pink, and purple. And we'll probably do 2 of the purple ones over here. And these don't look quite as big as the pink ones, but they'll grow in. Maybe I'll do 3. Well, I better just do 2. And then what I thought was maybe right here, do some Lobelia. I love Lobelia. I think it's so sweet looking. And then what I thought we would do is add another little marigold over here to give another pop of yellow. So I'm going to raise my dirt up a little back here from my marigold to go. So that from the street you can kind of see that marigold. I know it does not look like much right now, but once these, you know, fill in, it's going to look beautiful. Okay, so we got this one done, and then I'll show you where I need to do my other 2. They are over here, and so I'll get those done, and then I'll bring you back and I'll show you how it all looks. I'm gonna water it in really, really good, you guys. I'm loving this purple, pink, and yellow. What do you guys think about it? And I'm so excited I got some vines in here. Well, thanks guys so much for spending the afternoon with me. You guys hear the train back there? It's fun doing these bright colors. I think it will be really, really pretty when they all start to fill in. But go find a little window box that you have at home, or a planter box, and go buy some bright colored flowers. And don't forget, if you have that English ivy, you can always propagate it. Go find your passion today, you guys. Have a good week.